Ever feel like you know the words but your mind just goes blank? Or you start talking and it just doesn't sound right? You're not alone. Most English learners feel this. The hesitation, the fear, the self-doubt. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill. And today, you're going to build it. With real English you can actually use. Welcome to Native English Practice, your daily place for real speaking practice. In this video, you'll hear a natural, real-life conversation with native-style English, full of everyday phrases and expressions. Then we'll dive into the most important part, shadowing practice. The fastest way to boost fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. It's simple, it's fun, and it works. Let's begin. Whoa! $6 for chips? That's robbery.
Welcome to 2025, Jake.
Prices get worse every week, I swear.
Every time I shop, I walk out feeling broke.
Total sticker shock. Sticker shock. Surprise or shock at how expensive something is. Example: she felt sticker shock at the cost of the wedding dress.
Good phrase. That's exactly what it is.
Remember when chips were $2?
Feels like another lifetime.
Rest in peace, cheap snacks.
Stop being dramatic. Buy store brand.
Store brand tastes like cardboard.
Not true. Some are good.
Okay, fine. But next, soda.
Always soda with you.
Soda keeps me alive.
No, coffee keeps you alive. Soda just makes you hyper.
So many options.
The snack aisle is out of control.
Look at these cookies. Chocolate, peanut butter, caramel.
And the healthy section, nobody touches.
Poor rice cakes. Always ignored.
We're really spoiled for choice in here.
Spoiled for choice, when there are so many good options that it's hard to choose. Example: she was spoiled for choice while shopping. Everything looked amazing. Sometimes, more options makes it harder.
You waste 10 minutes just staring.
That's me, right now.
Hurry up, old man.
Okay. Oreos it is.
Good call. Do you ever cook at home?
Rarely. Cooking feels like homework.
Same, but sometimes I try.
And?
Usually disaster.
Figures.
Hey, at least I try.
True. I burned noodles last week.
How do you burn noodles?
Don't ask. It's a gift.
A very sad gift.
Let's check out. I'm starving.
Finally, fresh air.
The store was packed.
People shop like it's the end of the world.
Payday was yesterday.
Makes sense.
Ugh, too sunny.
Better than rain.
Rain is cozy.
Not when you're waiting for a bus.
Fair point.
Bus is late.
Again? Not shocked.
You're always complaining about buses.
Because they're always late.
Or maybe you're always late?
Hey, that's different.
Nope, Jake equals always late.
Guilty. I call it fashionably late.
Nobody calls it that at work.
Okay, true. But at least I show up.
Barely.
You're harsh. Harsh. Very strict, severe, or unkind. Example: the state has established harsh penalties for drug dealers.
Just honest.
Hey, isn't that Tom from high school?
Where?
There, with the hat.
Oh my God. Yes! He hasn't changed.
Same walk, same look.
Should we say hi?
Nah, too awkward.
Yeah. Hi, remember us from 10 years ago?
Great convo starter.
I hate forced small talk.
Small talk. Simple, light conversation about unimportant topics, usually to be polite. Example: we made small talk about the weather while waiting for the bus. Same, feels fake.
Let's pretend we didn't see him.
Already done.
I'm starving.
Grocery shopping always makes me hungry.
And now we wait for this bus.
Or we walk?
With all these bags? Nope.
My arms are already crying.
Patience, Jake. Patience.
Not my best skill.
I know.
Home, couch, food.
The holy trio.
Burgers never look so good.
Don't forget fries.
Fries are life.
And soda.
Always soda.
Cheers.
Best part of the day.
Hanging out. Eating.
You seen that new crime show?
Which one?
The one everyone's talking about.
Not yet. Any good?
Watched 2 episodes last night.
And?
Totally addictive. I wanted to stop, but couldn't.
Sounds like you'll binge watch it.
Binge watch. To watch many episodes of a show or series in one sitting. Example: she loves to binge watch dramas on weekends. Already planning my weekend.
Classic Jake.
Hey, better than burning noodles.
True. Weekend plans?
Maybe sleep, maybe laundry, nothing major.
Lazy weekend?
The best kind. You?
Visit my cousin. She just moved.
Family time? Nice.
Maybe hiking if weather's good.
Wow, that's productive.
Someone has to balance your laziness.
Rude, but true.
That's our friendship.
And it works.
Today was fun.
Grocery store, late bus, burgers, the dream life.
Simple things are the best.
Totally.
Let's do this more often.
Same time next week?
Deal.
Awesome. Now pass the fries.
Always.
All right, that's the full conversation. Now it's your turn to speak, not just listen. We'll do something called shadowing practice together. In this practice, you'll take the role of Maya. Her sentences will appear as text on the screen, and you'll say them out loud. Jake's sentences will play as audio, so it feels like you're really having a conversation with him. Try to pronounce the words the same way you hear them. Match the rhythm, the sound, even the little pauses. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, enjoy the rhythm, and imagine yourself truly in the moment. Ready? Let's start. Whoa! $6 for chips? That's robbery! Prices get worse every week, I swear.
Joke.
Total sticker shock. Remember when chips were $2? Rest in peace, cheap snacks. Store brand tastes like cardboard. Okay, fine. But next, soda. Soda keeps me alive. So many options. Look at these cookies. Chocolate, peanut butter, caramel. Poor rice cakes. Always ignored. Sometimes, more options makes it harder. That's me, right now. Okay. Oreos it is. Rarely. Cooking feels like homework. And figures. True. I burned noodles last week. Don't ask. It's a gift. Let's check out. I'm starving. The store was packed. Payday was yesterday. Ugh, too sunny. Rain is cozy. Fair point. Again? Not shocked. Because they're always late. Hey, that's different. Guilty. I call it fashionably late. Okay, true. But at least I show up. You're harsh. Hey, isn't that Tom from high school? There, with the hat. Same walk, same look? Nah, too awkward. Great convo starter. Same, feels fake. Already done. Grocery shopping always makes me hungry. Or we walk? My arms are already crying. Not my best skill. Home, couch, food.
Trio.
Burgers never look so good. Fries are life. Always soda. Best part of the day. You seen that new crime show? The one everyone's talking about. Watched 2 episodes last night. Totally addictive. I wanted to stop, but couldn't. Already planning my weekend. Hey, better than burning noodles. Maybe sleep, maybe laundry, nothing major. The best kind. You? Family time? Nice. Wow, that's productive. Rude, but true. And it works. Grocery store, late bus, burgers, the dream life. Totally. Same time next week? Awesome. Now pass the fries.
Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using one of today's vocabulary words. Or pick your favorite phrase. I'll be reading all your comments and giving hearts to my favorites. And I'll pin the best one. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there.
Real English. Real practice. Real progress. Only with us.